Hi, let us understand how to integrate Checkstyle as a part of Apache Ant build process. Before getting into details, let us have a quick introduction to Apache Ant. Apache Ant is a build automation tool where it can be used in any Java projects to automate the build process. It's going to have a small XML file which defines what are all the tasks to be automated, where I may have a code repository like Git or SVN, and developers will be making their code changes and checking it into the code repository. And I will be having the Apache Ant where I will have the XML file. It will be called build.xml, which will have predefined list of tasks. Which task should happen first and what are all the dependency of that specific task, all those informations will be available within it. So it will have informations like where the code is available, what all repositories or libraries to be used, and which location to be used to do the build process, and where the finally built jar file to be stored or to be delivered. So I can automate all this process. In the meantime, I can customize the build process to use any custom analysis or testing tools. Here I am going to use the Checkstyle analysis tool by providing the configurations for the Checkstyle and leverage the Checkstyle as a part of the build process. So as a quick summary, I will be having a project and I will have a source code and I will have an XML file. As a part of the build.xml, I will integrate when and where the Checkstyle to be used and what configuration to be used, so that before the build happens, I will be in a position to analyze whether the code is meeting the standard or not. Even I can control if any standard is not met, whether to proceed with the jar develop and further task to be proceeded or not. So it will have a full control at the integration phase or at the deployment phase, just to make sure all the code is adhering to the standards defined within the organization. To proceed with our demo, we need to have the Ant installed in the system, and I can download the Ant from this specific location or I can do the build. The easiest way is to download the Ant from the Ant webpage and do the installation. All we need to do is set the path and class path as well as the environmental variable. In my system, already I have set the environmental variable where I have set the Ant home, where and in which location I have downloaded the Ant, and as a part of the path, I have added the bin folder of Ant as a part of the path. So Ant command can be executed from any location, and I can execute the Ant with the XML file where it is located, and I can provide the command Ant. So in a quick summary, we have seen how to integrate Checkstyle as a part of the Ant build process, and in the future lecture we will be seeing how to do the demo and do the analysis using the Checkstyle as a part of the build process.